Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 83. And today he's talking about the idea that love is this kind of inner emotion that is the least threatening of all emotions. When we have this love within ourselves that really we are having with God or the universe or, our subconscious mind, regardless of what you want to call that kind of force or what you want to love idea, that is the least threatening emotion. It asks nothing and it demands nothing. And truly that gives us, this great experience where we're not having this demand put upon us, this ask, all that kind of stuff. Instead, we are just being, and we're just in the moment, in the present moment, and it's enjoyable. It's this feeling of love, comfort, all that kind of stuff stemming from it. Basically saying that we should join that place of silence as often as we can to really just have that experience where we know that we are loved from within and that we have that energy and everything in our lives just coming from within, that we can just close our eyes and feel blissful. No matter what is going on, no matter how bad things are, we always have that place of silence and bliss just within our own minds. That's about it for part 83. I will see you guys next time with part 84, so stay tuned.